So the first thing you guys to do is to open your PC CapCut like this. When you open it like this, you are going to check out for this Join Pro. Now you are going to tap on this Join Pro. When you tap on it, you are going to check out for this use QR code, sign in with Facebook and sign in with Google. But since we are trying to sign the Mobile Pro subscription on our PC, we will not be using the sign in with Facebook or Google. So you are going to click on this use QR code. Now when you tap on it, you are going to make sure that your internet connection is stable. As we all know that CapCut is a cloud-based system. Do you understand? So you are going to wait, and after that, make sure that your CapCut PC version is up to date, likewise your mobile version. Now once it's open like this, you are going to open your mobile CapCut app. So when you open your mobile CapCut app like this, you are going to check out for this me icon at the downside of the mobile app. So you are going to tap on this me icon. Now when you tap on it, you are going to check out for this scan option. Now you are going to tap on the scan option and scan the QR code on your PC. While doing this, make sure that your internet connection is stable. As we all know, both of them are cloud-based system. So after this, you are going to tap on confirm, and automatically you'll be signed in on your PC. So if you find this video useful, kindly share this right away with at least 5 editors out there that need this updates. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because we'll be dropping important updates on CapCut and also creative ideas. Lastly, don't forget to engage on this video by commenting thank you or whatever you feel like. Catch you up in our next video.